Fresh up in the morning, performing to myself in the mirror. Fog is clearer, I can't hear you. Raindrops pierce the eardrums. What conundrum have you go dumb? My next topic, sad ass weather. Pull it together, this not often. What you lofted, just snuggle or cuddle up. Angel tears coming from the sky. Do you realize it's so cold outside? Why do you feel? Why do you cry? We need you here, so keep your pride inside. Have me dreaming lucid, go grab Cupid, help me love this weather. It's whatever, raindrops pierce my skin, have me feel like leather. I wonder why it's cold outside, this condensation is coming down. I guess the clouds finna make its rounds. I have plenty of time, finna make these nouns. Mix the verbs, switch the words, say some shit you haven't heard. I'm a nerd, in love with science, water cycle, no defines, it's the same. Who's to blame? Precipitation, chilly rain, ankle sprain, from slipping on this liquid, cannot trip. Pain is gifted, the wind is shifted, it's been equipped with this umbrella. What's the color? Not vanilla, crimson black, rain won't slack, can't go back. On the mission, I guess the sun is on suspicion. Come back out, is what we wishing. Here's the raindrop, you just listen. Pride inside, you can hear the splashing waters. Windy as hell, that's Chicago action. Won't get the climate the satisfaction. Gotta time it right, count my rations. Temperature dropping, I ain't lacking. Ain't no stopping, I'm in a rush. If it was snow, then I'd have to mush. It's gonna be, so I better hush. Aw shit, it called my bluff. I'm tough, but what the fuck? No coat, just my luck. Can't go back, that sucks. Count as a loss, that's life. Just know I'm sleeping good tonight. Hopefully tomorrow the sun be bright. Let my skin feel the light. The wetness have me depressed. Don't even come with pale breasts. Look at the west till it manifests. Angel tears coming from the sky. Do you realize it's so cold outside? Why do you feel? Why do you cry? We need you here, so keep your pride inside.